Hello, I'm dentist Furkan Altınel from Antlara Dental Clinic. Our patient Inge came us from Belgium. When she came us, she had some problems about her teeth and planned her treatment with the implants and sinus lift operations. And also, before she had really deep bite, and with the smile makeover, we make little opening vertical dimension. And after the implants, we wait 6 months to implant healing with sinus lift operation. This visit, we make her all teeth with the zirconia crowns to beautiful smile, better function and happiness. Now we can open the last X-ray. Yes, this is her last X-ray, and now she will see her teeth first time. Yes,
Thank you.
Back.
Thank you.
You like?
You gave me back my smile. Thank
Yes,
you.
like
Thank you so much.
Well, how about your bite?
It feels comfortable,
Yes.
and it fits. It's a nice feeling.
Yes. Huge smile. Very nice. Now your teeth are more visible, more aesthetic, wider and more functional.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Dr. Furkan, thank you so much for having me here at Antlara. I was a little bit nervous because I did not know what to expect, but you asked me the right questions, and you explained me into detail whatever the procedures were. Even about pain, I was scared about the pain, but it was really the minimum. I didn't have a lot of problems. You explained me really step by step what was about to happen. So I'm very happy that I met you here in the clinic. It is true, the aesthetical part is very important, but also the comfort and the medical side, which is your specialization. What can I say more? I'm very, very happy. Thank you for bringing me back with this smile.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.